I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Subway Surf app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And there you're looking for Subway Surf app. Or just click on search. Then here at Subway Surf app is going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, so you click here on Play Store, then you search for Subway Source. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.